y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. But today I'm extremely excited. First and foremost, it's launch day for the Luxe collection. Well, relaunch day for the Luxe collection. Okay, so get into that. And then also too, we are doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. Get into the texture. You heard Doja Cat. Get into it, y'all. Okay, like this texture is everything. And this is a Upart wig, okay? Blended. My hair is blended, honey. It's blended, okay? It's undetectable. And I have very minimal leave out. Okay, so I'm just really excited about today's video and about today's wig, okay? Today's video is sponsored by yours truly, okay? So let's get into it. So real quick before we get into the video, for real, I just want to say today is relaunch day for the Luxe collection. Be sure to click the link in the description box to shop. We have lashes, we have jewelry, wigs, all of this stuff I love, handpicked by me. I wear it, so I'm not just like, you know what I'm saying, selling you something. This is stuff that I love, that I wear, that I test, you know what I'm saying, all of that stuff. So be sure to click the link and support your girl. Okay, it's relaunch day, baby. Head to the site right now. We back and we better than ever, baby. Let's go. Okay, so let's get into this video. I'm so hyped. I have Red Bull, and on top of that, I'm just excited, okay? So for real. Let's get into the video.
Hey y'all, so this is what your wig will come in, a double lined silk bag. For me, it's just easier in terms of shipping. It comes with a name card and care instructions on the back. So the style name of this wig is Kells. And so yeah, let's get into the wig. It does come in its natural state. However, your wig will not come as defined as mine's looks here, because I did go in and further define it with a dimming brush. The wig is completely dry right here, and I used absolutely no product. But yeah, let's get into the wig and the construction and the details and everything. So this is a Upart wig. It is 16 inches long and 150% density. So it does have combs around the Upart. The combs are larger, which I like, because it really keeps the Upart section in place and locks it in where you put it. And then it has combs on the side, adjustable straps, a comb in the back, and it has an elastic band, which I also really like, because like I said, it just keeps the wig situated and keeps it in place. I'm very hyper. I do a lot of movement with my head and neck, so I like to keep my wig where I put it, and I feel like the elastic band along with the combs really do that. So once again, here's the texture. Beautiful.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, look what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Bitch, like, are you crazy? This side is blended better than the other side because this side, as you can see, my ends are like almost kind of sort of like I pulled them too tight back into a ponytail, so they almost like, this is what they look like. Like, you see, like that piece is kind of like straight because I stretched it too much. So like the ends don't really like blend for real, but all I'm doing over here is like taking a piece and then kind of like twisting it into a strand so it blends better. But this side looks really, really good. It's blended really, really nicely. Focus. This side is blended so much nicer. Like, it looks so good in person. I cannot wait for the summertime because like it's just gonna bang, okay? But this side is blended to perfection and it looks so good. Like in person, I'm not even trying to play no games with you. It's not even really clockable. Like, oh my gosh. And this is the tiniest bit of leave out. None around the edges, only right here. Bro, this is it. So let me just tell you, I'm so geeked about this. Like, I am in love. I am obsessed. This is gonna be so good for me, like in the summertime, or well, not the summertime, because I don't really like to wear wigs in the summertime, but like in like the hotter months of the spring, where I'm gonna be able to like wear my hair out, like, you know what I'm saying, but not really like for real have my hair out. Like, this is so pretty. Now obviously this is the same exact texture of Kelly, but this is just the U-part version. It's the same texture, the same length, but it's just a U-part wig. So like, I've already been in love with this texture. I love the texture of Kelly and now Kel's. Like, this texture is so good. It's so good. Like, it's just so good. It's so good. Yeah, y'all, that's really it. I already showed you the wig. I showed you how to style it. I showed you the construction. I don't even have any anchor braids. I literally just kind of like stuck the combs into my hair. If you do this, like, do some anchor braids. But she's cute. She's cute. She's popping. She's a winner, period. That's it. I'm going to leave the link to this wig down in the description box for you to check it out. It is from the Luxe Collection, which is my company, my online store. I'm really excited about this new edition because I was obsessed with Kelly, and now we have a U-part version of her, so I'm really excited about that. Also too, jewelry, lashes from the Luxe Collection. Click the link in the description to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Bye.